Container gardening offers a wonderful opportunity to cultivate your slice of nature, no matter how limited your outdoor space might be. As spring ushers in a season of renewal and growth, it's the perfect time to delve into the world of container gardening and create a vibrant outdoor oasis. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of container gardening for the spring season, from selecting the right containers to choosing the perfect plants and creating captivating arrangements that will breathe life into any space. Choosing containers for spring plantings. The foundation of a successful container garden begins with selecting the right containers. When choosing containers for your spring plantings, consider factors such as size, drainage, material, and aesthetic appeal. Opt for containers that provide ample space for plant roots to grow and thrive, ensuring they have proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. Whether you prefer traditional clay pots, modern plastic containers, or rustic wooden crates, choose containers that complement your outdoor space and personal style. Selecting spring plants. Spring is a season brimming with possibilities when it comes to plant selections for your container garden. Embrace the spirit of the season by incorporating a mix of seasonal favorites, including blooming flowers and lush foliage. Choose plants that thrive in cooler temperatures and are known for their springtime beauty, such as tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, pansies, and primroses. Mix and match different plant varieties to create dynamic arrangements that capture the essence of spring. Planting and care tips. Once you've picked out your pots and plants, it's time to start planting. First, fill your containers with good potting soil made for pots. It needs to drain well and have food for the plants. Then put your flowers and plants in at the right depth, following the directions for each kind. Make sure there's enough space between them for them to grow well. Keep your container garden watered regularly so the soil stays damp but not too wet. Check how wet it is often, especially when it's hot and dry outside. Every few weeks, give your plants some slow-release food to help them grow strong and bloom. Trim off old flowers and cut back any parts that get too long or wild-looking. This helps them keep blooming and look nice. Keep up these steps, and your container garden will thrive. With these tips and design ideas in mind, you're ready to embark on your spring container gardening adventure. Whether you have a spacious outdoor patio or a small balcony, container gardening offers endless possibilities for bringing the beauty of spring to your doorstep. So gather your supplies, unleash your creativity, and watch your spring garden come to life with color, fragrance, and vitality. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching.